The most crucial element to your success on social media is a great hook. If you don't know what a hook is, it is the very first 1 to 3 seconds of your video that can grab your audience attention, make them stop scrolling, and pique your audience's interest to make them want to watch the rest of your video. Hi, and welcome back to day 23 of 100 social media tips. You want your hook to tell people that they are going to get value from watching your video, and you can do this in 3 different ways: visual, verbal, or text-based. You can use these independently, but you can also use these combined together. There are 3 reasons that visual, verbal, and text-based hooks work in your content. 1, it makes your viewers watch. 2, it makes your viewers listen. And 3, it makes your viewers read. Because if you can make people stay for an extra second to read, listen, and watch, it can be the reason that they stay or scroll away. What is a visual hook? This can be done in so many different ways. Putting on makeup, making a coffee, setting up camera, sitting down to talk, ASMR, and the list goes on. There are hundreds more, and people are creating more and more interesting ways to create engaging visual hooks, because people are always finding more creative ways to grab your attention and make you stop scrolling. What is a verbal hook? A verbal hook is an opening line or a statement designed to immediately catch your audience's interest. And these are some examples of where we have used verbal hooks for businesses that we have worked with to get them views like this.
How much for a sleeve?
$2 million.
Should a client come pre-shaven to their tattoo appointment?
How to make sure that you're avoiding knee injuries and strengthening your joints at the same time. What is mobility and why is it important?
No cheating. If I have 2 red plates, 2 blue plates, 2 yellow plates, and 2 green plates, plus the barbell, how many kilos am I squatting?
If you want to buy a median house in Sydney, which is $1.3 million,
Using a verbal hook can immediately catch your viewer's interest, and you want to captivate your viewer and keep them watching. What is a text-based hook? Text-based hooks can be your verbal hook that is just worded a bit differently. Because if you use the same hook as what you were saying in your video, it would just be a closed caption, which is then pointless because you aren't optimizing your content to get the best result. And if you are talking on your video, you should already include closed captions to begin with. But what is more important is that it's extremely useful for viewers who are scrolling on social media without any sound on. Crafting a great hook to grab your audience attention is key to success on social media. It is the reason why people continue to watch, and it is the reason why you started watching this video in the first place. You can combine these hooks together or use them independently. Therefore, when you craft the perfect hook, you can get insane results. That's it. But let me know in the comments if you want some examples of some hooks. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.